Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring VS Code and an image helper extension are installed so you get inline previews. Open your project folder and click the image to load it in the editor pane. Once the image is open, note its file path and format. This matters for which tools and commands to use. Make sure the integrated terminal is visible for commands and that you have right permissions to modify the file in place. You invoke the command palette and pick the resize action from your image extension or run a terminal command such as ImageMagic's convert with width and height flags. Enter explicit dimensions or a percent scale. This gives deterministic control over pixel output. Once you apply the resize, preview the result inside VS Code. Make sure to save to a new file name if you want to keep the original. If colors or aspect ratio look off, undo and try different parameters. You finish by saving the resized image and updating any HTML or CSS paths so the project uses the new asset. Optimize export settings like compression or DPI if you need smaller file size or print quality. This step avoids surprises in production. If something fails, check extension configuration, ensure ImageMagic or CLI is on your path, and confirm file write permissions. Rerun the resize with verbose output to identify errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.